What's up, everybody? It's Trey Mayhew here at Cable Dahmer Chevrolet in Kansas City. Today I got a 2016 Cadillac CTS sedan. Does have the 2.0 liter turbo in there. It's all-wheel drive. Not all luxury cars come with that great feature. See those wheels down there. It's the light platinum leather with the black accents. Really clean, well taken care of leather by the previous owner. Also comes with that moonroof. It's the Bose speaker system. 13 speakers along with that. You got the lane departure, the lane keep assist, all the Cadillac exclusives. I know during these winter months, people are looking for the front wheel, four wheel, and the all-wheel drive vehicles. Well, today I got one here at Cable Dahmer Chevrolet. You come see me, we'll get you in this thing, get you test driving and possibly riding away. Again, Trey Mayhew here at Cable Dahmer Chevrolet.